What makes you think different? I know it's cool. I can. Oh, hi. Oh, promise it's not the COVID. Hi, guys, gals, and everybody in between. BennyT Magic Man coming at you with another installment of magic classes. I'm going to show you a magic trick that you can learn at home to entertain and amaze your friends and family. Check down below in the links on how to learn it. Gonna start out with a trick with something that you can find around the house. Tissues. They're probably back on the shelves now. Average, everyday tissues. Now, here's the thing. What you do is you grab your tissue and you tear the tissue. And then you hold the tissue. And then you fold the tissue. And then you tear the tissue. And then you hold the tissue. And you fold the tissue. And you fold the tissue. And then you fold the tissue until you have a tight little ball. And then you blow the tissue. Not like I did before, that's gross, but like this. Blow, not sneak. And then you fold the tissue. You unfold the tissue. You unfold the tissue. Unfold the tissue. And unfold the tissue to the amazement of absolutely everybody. And you have a real, live, restored tissue. Oh, totally gross. See you soon, guys, gals, and everybody in between. Check below for the lesson.